Blvd Hotel and Spa is within walking distance to Universal Studios Hollywood, not to be confused with Blvd Hotel and Suites, which is farther away. The Blvd Hotel and Spa is just a little more than half a mile from Universal Studios, and after we take a look at the hotel, we will walk to Universal so you can see what it's like.
Here's the bathroom. Shower comes with a shower overhead and one below. So there you go. The shower curtain. Here's a sink. There's the towels. Some extra toilet paper there. There's the mirror. Very bright. It's got lighting around it. There's a mirror. Here is the closet. You have an iron, some hangers. Here's the main room. Comes with a microwave. You got a microwave and fridge. It's kind of dark. Can't really see it well. A little Mr. Coffee. King size bed. And it comes with a sofa, although this sofa does not pull out. But I suppose if someone needs to sleep on it, mine is a little short. But there's a sofa, but not a sofa bed. Does not pull out. We have the dresser. There's some more storage space right here. TV, ice bucket. You've got your desk.
Okay, we're walking from the Blvd Hotel. On our way to find Universal Studios.
Oh.
On our way to find Universal Studios. This is the way. We'll see how long it takes us. Just across the road. Now we're going under a tunnel. Through that tunnel on our way to Universal. Okay. Escalators and stairs and an elevator. Now we're going across the bridge. See the hotel all the way over there. On the first night, we walked up the hill, but there is a shuttle bus at the bottom of the hill you can take instead, which is a much better way to get to the top of the hill. At the bus stop, you will see a sign that estimates a 9-minute walk to get to Universal Studios from the bus stop. The shuttle is available between the hours of 6:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. There's also a sign that has the time of the next incoming shuttle bus. We never waited long before one came. It might have been about 5 minutes, but definitely no more than 10 minutes. The shuttle will drop you off just outside of Universal City Walk behind Tully's. For my final thoughts about the hotel, I will say it was clean, but the hotel needs a little TLC. I did notice a few things like how the paneling on the back of the sink was separating, plus the wood on the bathroom door had a crack at the bottom hinge, It didn't bother me, but it might bother some people, so I figured I'd mention it. For me, I care more about if the room is clean, in a good location, and affordable. The Blvd Hotel does cost less than staying at the Sheraton or the Hilton, which is just across the street from Universal Studios. The hotel does have a parking fee of $30 a night. The walk to Universal wasn't bad at all. It didn't feel too far away. The only issue is that the hotel isn't in the nicest neighborhood. We did walk past some people that were a bit down on their luck, to put it nicely. I don't want to be negative, but it's important for you to know what it's like if you plan on walking. But just know that if you are driving, you will have parking fees at the hotel and at Universal Studios. Well, that's it for our look at the Blvd Hotel and Spa. Let me know if you've stayed here or at any of the other hotels in the area. Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.